Ezamandla kagesi azihambi kahle kuleli isonto iEskom yenyusele izwe esigabeni sesithupha sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi. Uhulumeni wase-Western Cape uthi isinqumo seNERSA sokugunyaza ukunyuswa kwentengo yogesi asiphusile.
In the city of Cape Town alone, it's R1 billion electricity bill. So now you're putting another 186 million rand onto the burden that the citizens pay every single month. With a declining economy, level 6 load shedding, it really does not bode well.
Kanti izakhamuzi nazo zizwakalisa ukukhathazeka kwazo ngalokho.
Why do we have electricity one time and then we don't another? We've permanently got load shedding, and it's like we're doing all this load shedding, but where's the solution? And how can you give us power consecutively and consistently, like for Christmas, for example?
I feel like the rise in energy prices is just the government asking for more money.
No, what NERSA is doing, it's totally wrong. Now is raising the prices while the load shedding is always every day. So now we're suffering, we're poor, we don't have money. At least we must make a plan and reduce this thing.
Isifundazwe sithi indlela okumele ithathwe kuya phambili ukulekelela omasipala ukuthi bathole amathuba amasha okusebenzisa amandla kagesi akhiqizwe izimboni ezizimele.